Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw, and thank you for tuning in. It's another flipping decor for my fall decor style. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and you hit that bell for all notifications. So yes, we're jumping straight into my fall decor style with this Target DIY picture frame for fall. Now, I got these frames from Target, as I said. I believe they were the 2-pack for $5. And I like the saying, but I definitely wanted to turn it into my way. So all I did was take a pen and I distressed the edges of the frame. As you see the black marks, I added some Mod Podge to cover the letters and create a nice base. I Googled the orange buffalo plaid and I cut it down to size. And I flattened it out with a card. I bought these little leaves from Michael's for 57 cents and I added the pumpkin chalk paint just to give it that pop of orange. And I had my message written out. I freehand this, people. Yes, I did. And I made an indent and traced over it with a pen, as you saw me doing there. And then I took my Sharpie marker and I went over the indents just to create a nice, clean lettering finish. And I thought those were so cute. I'm like, I did it. And so I filled it in with some chalk paint that I actually made. And I have a good surprise for you guys about my chalk paint line. So happy. And I added the leaf onto the frame with some glue. And that was it. There you have it. I wish fall never leaves. Get it? I wish fall never leaves. And I styled it here with my tissue paper pumpkin. And if you didn't watch that video, make sure you head over to my YouTube channel and I'll leave the link below so you can watch that video as well. It's only a few minutes and it's super cute and easy to create. So guys, I hope you liked this fall decor style DIY video and thanks for tuning in.